Fixed secure boot can be enabled when system is user mode Gigabyte. Seeing the error, secure boot can be enabled when the system is user mode. Here's how you can fix it on Gigabyte MSI and ASRock motherboard. So step 1, restart your PC. So click on the Windows Start menu and then click on this power button and then select restart from here and enter the BIOS by pressing Del or F2 during the boot. Now, after that, navigate to the boot or security settings and then find Secure Boot. And then after that, under the key management, select Install default keys or enroll factory keys, and this installs the platform's key and switches the system from setup mode to user mode. Now, once in user mode, set Secure Boot to enabled and save the changes and exit BIOS. Your PC will reboot with Secure Boot enabled. So that is how you can basically fix the Secure Boot error in Gigabyte MSI and ASRock motherboards.